Realtree Spring Thunder is brought to you by Bog Pod, Bone Collector Calls, Federal Ammunition, Kicks Chokes, Chevrolet, Hunter's Specialties, Walker's Game Ear, Old Tom Vest, and Realtree.
We on one. What a day of difference. What a difference a day makes. Pretty thick blanket of snow. We got a turkey gobbling down there off his bins. We're gonna try to see if we can't get close and get him going good. He's gobbled twice. Okay. He's here. We're here. And somebody else is here. Public ground, South Dakota. Got a turkey gobbling across his ridge. Somebody else down there hunting them too, so public ground's part of it. But not only does it feel cold, it looks cold. It is cold. He's about halfway up his ridge right here on this little knob. Been waiting up here on this ridge across from him just to try to see what they're gonna do. We spotted a few of them in the trees, so we was just gonna wait them out. Mike said they have a bad habit when it snows like this overnight to stay in the tree a while. Believe it or not, hard for me to admit that Mike was right.
You see?
But we got one gobby on the ground. We're gonna see how this plays out. These other hunters are coming up this ridge too and crow calling, so we're just trying to be respectful of their distance, but at the same time put ourselves in contention. We're on these turkeys still. These guys have moved in on them and kind of bumped them, so we're just playing it safe. Feels like Jeremiah Johnson out here. Still cold. Boots are done wet. These uninsulated boots didn't sign up for this, I can tell you. I did think we hear a turkey in the distance somewhere. We found him.
He's right there.
He's not 200 yards.
There's a lot of old snow in those trees, though. You can't just go sneaking through.
I'm just saying, so we just get hid.
Let's let you drive off, Mike, and we'll dip in here. It'll cover us up a little bit.
I can hear him spinning and drumming right here. He's got to get uphill. I'll see him more than I can. Hear him drumming. Straight up the hill from us. No. Video it. No, I can't see it. I can't see it. When that, listen to his spitting and drumming, we can hear him right here. Other side of this brush pile. It's thick in here. Boy, he's a boat, right? We didn't quite catch up to him in time. last morning here in South Dakota, so he's going for broke. I ain't never tracked a turkey like that, but it's fresh snow and he was henned up. We had him right at the top of the ridge, down here below us, and Drake was on him. I couldn't get a shot at him. I was a little bit lower, and every time I could see him, Drake couldn't. I think them hens kind of left him and he boogied on down with him. Close, but not close enough. He's a little too far for a shot. I wasn't gonna risk it. It ain't worth it.